Gymnast, and today we're back in the garage for another silk performance. Today I'm going to be performing to Bird by Corbyn Kites. So thank you, Corbyn Kites, for the wonderful music. Let's get started. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed doing it. Thank you so much, Corbyn Kites, for the amazing song. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe and watch all my tutorials and performances. Thank you so much for watching.
Snap some pictures, my dear. Oh, hadn't thought of that.